FlickReviewers.com claims you can earn up to $150 per review just for watching Netflix movies, and writing your thoughts sounds like a dream come true, right? But after digging into the site, things start to look suspicious. First off, there's no real proof of any partnership with Netflix, which is a huge red flag for a site promising Netflix-related jobs. Instead of giving direct information about these supposed review jobs, the site constantly redirects users to random job search platforms and affiliate links that have nothing to do with Netflix at all. I noticed there were no official Netflix job listings anywhere, just vague promises and links to other companies. Even more concerning, the site asks for personal details before providing any real offer, which is something to be cautious about. If Netflix were genuinely hiring for something like this, you'd expect to see it on their official careers page or LinkedIn, not through a third-party site no one has heard of. So while the idea might sound tempting, there are too many red flags to ignore. It's not a complete scam in the traditional sense, but it's definitely not as legit as it tries to appear. Let me know in the comments if you've run into similar websites promising easy cash. It's always good to stay informed and help each other out.